Hi guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today's video, I am making a highly requested video. Today's video is a veggie yellow rice. Now it's optional to do it with the vegetable. You do not have to, but today you will learn how to make it step by step. Stay tuned. Now, because I like using fresh everything, I am cutting up some fresh vegetable. You do not have to, you can use frozen vegetable if you like, but all of the ingredients that I use will be down below. What I am going to do is add a little bit of oil in my pan, and then I will add a little bit of APs. I did not have enough. That was my last little bit of APs. That's why it looks so little, you guys. Usually I cover it so the smell doesn't, circulate over the house, just to reduce the smell of the APs. Next, I am going to add my veggies in there, and then we're going to add the rest of the veggies. I'm using a red bell pepper, celery, corn, fresh corns, and carrots. You can use whatever vegetable you're comfortable of eating. That's what I have in hand. That's what I'm using. Next, I'm adding my seasoning and salt. The name or the exact seasoning will be down below. Check it out, please, so you do not have to ask me what type of seasoning you use. And I did not use any Maggi, no Maggi. Now, the rule of thumb for perfect rice is every time you add 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. I just eyeball it. It always come out fine for me. So I will leave some tips for you guys to get the perfect rice all the time in the description box. Check it out. What I just added is the turmeric to give it that nice yellow color. That's how you will get the nice yellow color. And then I am going to wash my jasmine rice. Add that in there and stir it up a little bit so you don't have any clumps of rice at the bottom. And then I will taste it to make sure my seasoning are nice and perfect, and also the salt. Taste it for salt at this point, and then we're going to let it boil until the rice is nice and dry. Once it's dried, I am going to cover it with a foil and then put the lid on top. Let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, like right here, and then it should be ready for you. Hopefully this was helpful. This is it. It was really delicious. You do not need Maggi, like I said, but you can use Maggi if you want to. Hey, it's your rice. Do what you want. I eat the rice with pork chop, which I do have a recipe. I will leave it down below. It was amazing. I will leave it down below. Check it out for more recipes. Be sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Click the bell, you guys. I need all of you guys to click the bell so you get notification whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching. Let's get the video to 200 likes for me, please. I'm begging you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.